We got Nick. Just finished the session. How'd it go, Gaffa?
Good session with the lads. Put in some good work today.
Practicing the knuckleball.
Good intensity.
Yes, sir. And Christian's son.
Yes.
How'd the training session go?
Pretty good. Went for my third training session and ready for cross country tomorrow.
What's up?
Bet you didn't know Bryson's girlfriend in the vlog too. Oh, he needs to get a car wash. We just got Human Being and he just called me right now. I'm giving him content for his vlog. He'll thank me later. Say hi to your vlog.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the video. We got
Today we are taste testing the Human Being.
We already did that.
No, we're doing it for the camera.
No, we already did that for the camera.
Oh.
There's a whole video. Do you remember?
Sorry. I'm gonna end.
Wait,
Okay,
hold on,
okay,
hold on.
this is so you can do a transition.
What's up, puppies? There's a light door. It's a crank that sucks. That's the whole stick. Come on, take it with you. Let's go. Aspen, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no. So, my hair's a mess. Can you see the dandruff floating? Probably not. Anyway, got practice right now as long as there's no lightning. I love practices like this. Like, it's a little bit hard to get started. I'll admit that. But like, once you like embrace being cold and wet, oh my gosh, running in the rain is awesome. So running in the rain today. That's what we're doing, it looks like. All right, we're live. Live in the rain.
What up, what up? We're ready to run, baby. No, I'm fine without a hood. Well, hey, let's go. They're coming. I thought it was gonna be raining, bro. Like, there was a guy training on Houston from the top.
We just saw a big old coyote. Aspen wants it.
You see it?
No. Huh. She couldn't control herself any longer. So Riley's making sure. She kept trying to go down after the coyote. Huh, Aspen? She still wants it. It's back there. Update, she's back and now she's looking down every single row. Oh, I guess not. Oh! She's freaked out right now. Yo, Aspen's cracked at walking.
Daylight saving time is messing me up. Alright, y'all. Tuesday was chill. I just woke up upset at daylight savings, I guess. But I guess that wraps up today's video. A shorter one, but it was fun. I enjoyed it. I appreciate you, yes, you watching. I appreciate you for clicking on the video. It means a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired, and tomorrow is my last ever cross-country race.
That's the whole stick. Come on, take it with you. Let's go.